Hello, it's Pitlock, and if you think your van's back doors are secure, think again, because if you have this lock on the back of your van, I'm going to show you how easily it can be opened in seconds. No key needed and no skill needed. This is a serious issue every van owner needs to know about, so stick around to the end and I'll show you just how bad this thing is. And it is pretty bad. So what do we have? We've got a masterlock puck lock, and that connects two plates together. Each plate is on different back doors of the van. There is a keyway on the side, and as you open the keyway it slides the bolt across and the bolt goes through those holes, and the theory is that it secures your van. Well, it doesn't secure your van because this thing is as bad as it gets. So first of all, let's try and single pin pick this open. I can pick it open while it is on the plates, but it just takes a bit longer and doesn't make for great viewing because it is a bit of an awkward angle to pick it open at. So instead I'm going to pick it open in my hand like this, and then I'm going to show two other techniques that you'd probably find a bit easier if you want to open one up. Masterlock didn't think, there we go, we're open. Masterlock didn't think to put any security pins in this, and bearing in mind this could be securing thousands, if not tens of £1,000s worth of tools, you would have thought they would have done, but never mind. Okay, the next two attacks, okay, I'll stick that back on there. So that was a single pin picking attack. We'll lock that back up. Next, I'm going to use this wave rake, which is from Covert Instruments. And normally when you rake something, you would use a tension wrench like that. You'd apply some tension to the core and you would rake away at the pins. But because this doesn't have a strung core, we can just use this one tool, which makes it a little bit easier. I'm just going to secure it with my finger there. That's how it makes it easier. Doesn't look like it at the moment. There we go, finally got it open. Took a little bit longer than it normally takes. Let's try it again, see if we can get it open a little bit quicker. There we go, a little bit quicker that time. So you might consider this to be specialist equipment. It is a lock picking tool, and you do have to get these from America. Well, you can get other ones from the UK and lockpicking supplies, but this one is from Covert Instruments. However, you can just buy one of these, which is a jiggler key, off Amazon for a few quid, or many other places for a few quid, and we'll see how quickly that can open this van up, this van door lock up. There we go, we're in. Let's try that again. Lock it up. And we're in again. So as you can see, this thing really isn't very secure. I would not recommend getting one of these, especially the fact it says masterlock on it. So anyone that sees it, if they see masterlock on it, they'll know that it's an easy one to open. I know Kryptonite, they do one, and I think that's a 6-pinner with security pins. It is a bit more expensive than this, but I would recommend that as a bare minimum over this, because this thing is absolutely rubbish. Anyway, that's all I've got time for you today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.